Place the webcam on the monitor or laptop at the desired position or angle. You can adjust the folding angle and make a 360 degrees swerve adjustment. Install the webcam on a tripod using a quarter tripod thread at its base, ensuring they fit snugly and firmly. You can adjust the height of the tripod according to your needs. Unfold the legs. You can place the webcam with the tripod anywhere you think that is appropriate for you. Connect the USB port to your computer. After connecting to the computer, please select the camera microphone to the eMeet SmartCam C9602K on the conference software. When the camera is used by Zoom, Skype or other video calling software, the LED indicator will be lit up, indicating that the camera is functioning. To use the eMeet SmartCam C9602K software application, please download eMeet Link first. You can make custom settings on eMeet Link such as image filters, adjust parameters such as brightness and contrast. Open your camera software on your computer. Click on Setting. You can choose the corresponding photo quality and video quality according to your needs.